Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture in this course. In this video, I shall be demonstrating on how to install Python into your computer system. So what you can do, open your browser. In this case, I'll be using Google Chrome. So have your cursor on the search engine. So on your search engine, type Python. And once you type Python, press enter. Right. After pressing enter, on your search results, you can see this website, python.org. So I need us to click this website. So we'll be redirected to python.org website. And on this website, let us have our cursor on downloads. And on downloads, we can actually see that we have a download for Windows if you are using Windows machine. If you are using Mac operating system, you can download. You can click right here and you'll be redirected to download the Mac OS Python version. So in this case, we are using I'm using Windows machine, so I'm going to click download right here. So you just press this button and your download will start, as you can see here. So the download won't take much of your time. Once the download is done, you can click here and you click open. So after clicking open, you can see that our Python is 3.11.4. So let us click run. Okay, we can minimize this. After clicking run, this will show up and we can see install Python 3.11.4 64-bit. So you have to make sure that also you actually download Python version which is compatible with your computer. Okay, so what we can do now to install Python, make sure you click add to path. Add to path. Click right here, then you click install. The installation process won't take much of your time, so we just have to wait while the installation is complete. Then we verify if we have successfully installed Python correctly. Okay, so we are done. Once the installation process is successful, we can click close. Then we can press our Windows button. Okay, then we can, after pressing Windows button, we can type cmd command prompt, so that we can now open here our command prompt so that we can verify and check if we have successfully or if we have installed Python properly. So you can test this by installing a very important library that is used in machine learning, also in data analysis or in data science. For example, installing pandas. Let us say pip. Others, they can say pip3 install pandas. Then you press enter. So if we have successfully installed Python, pip should also respond well. Okay, so this is already satisfied. So let us type Python here and press enter. We can actually see that we have Python version 3.11.4 that we are using and that we have successfully installed in this video. So we can actually see that we have successfully installed Python well, and also we can click right here and we can navigate below here to open the Python folder here. Let us scroll down here and we click this and we can actually see our Python file is here. So we can click this idle, Python idle. If we open this Python idle, we can actually write some lines of code there. For example, we can say 1 plus 1 and press enter. We can see that the Python version that we have installed, it is responding. Or we can go on creating a new file here. But the issue with the Python here, it means this is the shell. So our instruction, they run on shell. And we can run a code on this side. For example, we can say our line of code, let us say print hello, world. Okay, to run this print statement, obviously, first thing we have to save our file. We click save here. So we'll be redirected here, so you can choose where to save your file. If you want to save your file on the desktop, you can just go on the desktop, then you say here, then you say my Python projects, here, then you double click to open, then you give a file name, let us say hello.py. Hello.py, don't forget to add an extension .py. Then you click. So if to run this code, you run the module or your code here, and it will respond on the shell. So whatever the coding, all coding instructions will be done here, and once you run your code here, the response or the instruction will be displayed on this shell. So we are not going to use Python idle. We are going to use actually Jupyter Notebook in this machine learning and artificial intelligence course. We're going to use Jupyter Notebook. So in our next video, I shall be demonstrating on how to download and install Anaconda distribution. I think this is all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.